Hi, it's Allyn here from Unique Risk and Financial Services. So normally we're out trying to educate and empower our clients to better manage their risk, their insurances, accounting services, make sure they're staying on top of their tax, that they are getting the correct advice and risk assessments, whether that be via site or drone surveys, as well as being there just to offer general support and training. But I wanted to draw on a recent experience that has left somewhat of a bitter taste, but one that I hope can assist anyone who's potentially listening today. What I'm referring to is people who are potentially uninsured, committing insurance fraud and being opportunistic. So what happened was last year, I was driving around in the Alberton area. Now, yes, I know there'll be a lot of Alberton jokes, and feel free to leave them in the comments. But driving around here in the Alberton area, I actually was witness to an incident. So what happened was a elderly lady was driving two cars ahead of me. There was a gold vehicle behind her. The vehicle and her collided, and the gold vehicle drove away. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see the driver. I didn't get to obtain any of the details of that vehicle. What I did do was stop to try assist the person. I was witness to the incident and trying to be a good Samaritan, stopped just to make sure that everyone was okay and that, if they needed any assistance, I would be able to provide it. So, having stopped, assisted the elderly lady, made sure that she was in fact safe, she was completely mobile, told her what photos to take, what type of identifying marks of the surrounding areas to take, and how best to proceed with any potential claim. Also gave her my telephone number, saying that if she needed any assistance with either her insurance or an eyewitness for a police report, she is more than welcome to have my details, and I'd be there, as I did witness it, and she was rear-ended, so, she could do with some help. Just to have a few days later have the same individual contact me, as well as her entire family and kids have been harassing me for months now, that I, in fact, was the cause of the accident. Now, first, let me say, I didn't have to stop. I stopped because I believed it was the right thing to do. I did make sure that she was safe. I did provide the best possible advice to her, and did everything possible to actually assist. Was by no means the cause or involved in any incident. I was merely a witness to an incident. Now what happened was, luckily I did report this to the insurance company, took photos of my vehicle. Soon as I became aware that there was an issue, showing that there was no damage, hadn't been to the panel beater, and also gave a account of the incident. So when it got down to it, this particular individual has been trying to fight a legal battle. Luckily, I informed my insurance company, so I've had the backing support as well as the legal services that go along with having accurately reported a claim. But what I can tell you is, please, there are people out there who are opportunistic. There are people out there more than happy to commit insurance fraud. Please don't get caught up in any of their nonsense and in their schemes. If there's any situation that could arise to a potential claim, whether you're accused of something, irrespective of whether you have any knowledge of it or not, if you are accused of something, please inform your insurance company. This could involve anything from, in terms of your motor vehicle, a third party approaches you, you have someone at your home and they slip and fall or get injured in some way, and they now are claiming that you are responsible. Whether they actually proceed with the claim or not shouldn't change the fact that you should report it. Reporting it doesn't necessarily mean that a claim will go through and that your insurance claims record will be blemished. It's purely there to provide the support if or when someone were to come, even opportunistic fraudster. At least you'll have the backing to be able to deal with that as well. Now, what I also want to say is, so you have these situations that could arise. Please let us know, let your insurance company know, and let's get in front of the situation before you end up getting caught behind it. If you need any assistance, any training, or any help with any of your insurance, your risk, or any of your other financial services, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are happy, willing, and wanting to help in any way possible. Thank you so much, and we really look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.